There are many products available to choose fishing lures, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing lures from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GOANDO Fishing Lures Kit for Freshwater and Saltwater Fishing. The GOANDO Fishing Lures Kit features lifelike lures with stereo 3D fisheye and lifelike scale patterns that mimic real fish movement, making it an effective bait that easily attracts fish. It includes a variety of bass and trout fishing lures that are widely used in both freshwater and saltwater. The high-quality materials used to make these lures are anti-corrosive, durable, and have a longer lifespan compared to other fishing baits. Additionally, the portable tackle box makes it easy to carry and access the fishing lures at any time. Lifelike lures with vivid and realistic fish movements attract fish easily. Widely used for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, comes with a variety of bass and trout fishing lures and accessories. Made of high-quality materials that are anti-corrosive, durable, and have a longer lifespan. Portable tackle box for easy carrying and access to fishing lures. Number 2. LASOCUHOO Fishing Lures Kit. The LASOCUHOO Fishing Lures Kit includes 94 PCs of fishing accessories, such as fishing lures, hooks, weights, line stopper, and more, in a portable tackle box. The lifelike design and variety of sizes and shapes make it easier to catch various types of fish in different environments. Perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. This kit is a great gift for both beginner and experienced anglers and is suitable for ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir, pond, and stream. Good starter pack. Decent quality lures and equipment. Economic price. Number 3. Kinforest 10 PCs Fishing Lures Spinnerbait. The Kinforest 10 PCs Fishing Lures Spinnerbait is a great choice for anglers looking for a reliable and versatile lure. This set of lures is made of metal and comes with a tackle box for easy storage and transport. The lures are suitable for both freshwater and saltwater and are deadly on bass, trout, walleye, northern pike, and salmon. The bright colors and sharp treble hooks are sure to attract plenty of fish. Customers have praised the quality and effectiveness of the lures, making them a great value for the price. Good quality. Great company to deal with. Well-made product. Excellent price. Number 4. PLUSINNO Fishing Lures Baits Tackle Kit Set. The PLUSINNO Fishing Lures Baits Tackle Kit Set is perfect for beginner or expert anglers, containing 302 pieces of fishing tackle, including popper, pencil, minnow, crankbait, vib, frog, spinner, spoon, plastic worms, tube, split-tail fishes, offset hooks, jig head, tube jigs, fishing weight sinkers, beads, swivels, fishing snaps, and tackle box. Made of high-quality anti-corrosion stainless steel and plastic, this all-around choice for any angler is easy to carry around in its compact and portable double-layer box. A great gift for any angler. Suitable for all occasions. 302 pieces of fishing tackle for all sorts of fishing conditions. High-quality anti-corrosion stainless steel and plastic material. Compact and portable double-layer box for easy carrying. Number 5. Topcon GPT 275 PCs Fishing Lures Kit. Topcon GPT 275 PCs Fishing Lures Kit is a perfect Christmas or birthday gift for fishing enthusiasts. The kit includes plastic and metal lures with detailed patterns and lifelike colors to simulate bait fish. The steel ball-bearing rattles offer an aggressive presentation that gives you an advantage. You can use it in various positions like lakes, pools, rivers, seas, ponds, and streams. The kit comes in a PVC box, which is easy to carry. Perfect gift for fishing enthusiasts. Detailed patterns and lifelike colors simulate bait fish. Steel ball-bearing rattles offer an aggressive presentation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.